So I'm a developer and I'm working for AmazeCRM.com, and I'm going to try to set up ElasticClaw to run my software factory. In this short video, we're going to go through provisioning a server, setting up DNS, and getting ElasticClaw running on it. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and go over here to Hetzner, and I'm going to set up a server. I'm going to grab a server here in Oregon, and I'm going to pick an operating system. I'm going to enable a firewall. I'm going to name my server. I'm going to call it Amaze Factory. So that server is going to create quickly. While that's happening, I'm going to grab that public IP. I'm going to go to Cloudflare, which is hosting the DNS zone for AmazeCRM.com. I'm going to add a DNS record for factory pointing to that IP and save it. So that's the only setup I'm going to do for infrastructure. So at this point, I have my server set up and my DNS record set up. I'm going to come over to ElasticClaw. I'm going to scroll down here to the quick start instructions. I'm going to grab the brew command, pop over to a terminal window, install the ElasticClaw CLI through Homebrew. Takes a minute, and it is done now. So we can say ElasticClaw version, and I have a version 2026 5.16 from a day and a half ago. So now I want to install ElasticClaw on the server using the CLI, and the command's right here on the screen in front of me. So I can say ElasticClaw install server is SSH root at. Let's come back and grab that IP address one more time. And the domain is going to be factory.amazecrm.com. And so this will SSH into that server using my key, because my key was already set up, and install the ElasticClaw binary, provide some initial configuration, install a systemd service to manage it, and install Caddy in order to serve a web server, reverse proxy, and use Let's Encrypt for TLS. And it generated a password. There's just other flags I can pass in to control this, but this is a basic setup. It takes a minute for Caddy to provision the Let's Encrypt cert. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's head over here to factory.amazecrm.com, and you can see it's set up. I'm going to grab the UI password that it generated because I didn't specify one. Log in here, and you can see it's asking for the rest of the configuration. So the rest of the configuration here, because I didn't pass any CLI flags, can all be done in the UI. That's as simple as it is to install ElasticClaw on a remote server to manage your software factory.